Searching for something real in a world that feels like a shadow. This next one is for anyone who's still looking, and for those of you who finally found your way home. This is Touch My Heart! Whispered promise in the night, a heartbeat that aligns. I've been searching for a soulmate, one who'll see me whole and bring light to the darkness where my heart is made to unfold. Oh, please touch my heart, show me you're real. Don't just be a stranger, make me feel your love reveal. In the stillness of the night, I wait for you to find the one that sets my soul on fire and makes my heart entwine. I try to fill the emptiness with fleeting love and fame, but nothing satisfies the ache that bears my name. I've been chasing shadows, trying to catch a glimpse of you, and in the silence I hear your voice whispering I'm coming true. Oh, please touch my heart, show me you're real. Don't just be a stranger, make me feel your love reveal. In the stillness of the night, I wait for you to find the one that sets my soul on fire and makes my heart entwine. I know it's hard to find the one who's meant to be, but I believe in destiny and our heart's symphony. So I'll keep my eyes open and my heart aflame, and trust that you'll show up with a love that's worth the claim. Give it to into my life with eyes that saw right through, and a heart that felt like mine. You reached out and took my hand, and I knew in that moment space that we were meant to be together in a love that would forever hold its place. Oh, you touched my heart, show me you're real. Now I feel your love revealing, and it sets my soul to heal. In the stillness of the night, I'm grateful for the light that shines upon our love and makes our hearts take flight. Years have passed since that day, and our love has only grown. We've built a life together with laughter and tears we've known. And though life's journey winds on, through joys and fears we'll face.